Mawei no o maluhia mahalkehui ana. Welcome to Ka Alala, my YouTube channel where you'll find all kinds of Hawaiian language videos. We have everything from beginner videos to advanced videos. So at whatever stage you're at currently, you're gonna find something here that you can enjoy. For myself as a teacher, my emphasis and focus is on spoken Hawaiian. It's less on the writing and the spelling. In fact, you'll see that I use the original orthography of the language, which means no kanaka, which is intentional. If you're somebody who finds yourself more on TikTok or Instagram, you can find me here on either one of those platforms. So again, if you have any interest in the Hawaiian language, make sure to subscribe so you can get updated on new videos that come up. Mahalo.